Josephine. How do you do? Do you remember me, babe? Hello, Josephine. How do you do? Do you remember me, baby? Like I remember you. You used to laugh at me and holler. I used to walk you home. I used to hold your hand. You need to use my umbrella every time it rained. You used to cry so much, it was a crying shame. Hello, Josephine. How do you do? Do you remember me, baby? Like I remember you. You used to laugh at me and holler, woo, woo, woo. Yonder by the railroad tracks. When it rained you couldn't walk. I used to tote you on my back. Now you try to make believe here were no days like that. Hello, Josephine. Hello, Josephine. How do you do? How do you do? Do you remember me, baby? Do you remember me, baby? Like I remember you. You used to laugh at me. You used to laugh at me and holler, boo, boo, boo. Hello, Josephine. How do you do? How do you do? Do you remember me, baby? Do you remember me, baby? Like I remember you. You used to laugh at me. You used to laugh at me. You used to holler, woo, woo, woo. Hello, Josephine. How do you do? How do you do? Do you remember me, baby? Like I remember you. You used to laugh at me and holler, woo, woo, woo. You used to laugh and holler, woo, woo, woo. You used to laugh at me and holler, woo, woo, woo. Hello, Josephine. How do you do? Do you remember me, baby? Like I remember you.
Hi there, how are you? Today I'm doing the dance My Girl Josephine. 48 count for wall low intermediate. No tech, no restart. Now the dance. First section, weight on your left, stop with your right. Walk, walk, side rock, cross, 2 pedals. Pedal, pedal for 1/4. Now facing 3 o'clock. Next section, toe strap, just box 1/4. Cross, quarter, side, cross. Next section, side hold, together, side touch. Side hold, together, side together. Next section, heel grind 1/4, back rock, recover. Repeat, heel grind 1/4, back rock, recover. Next section, forward, slightly across, point, out, cross, point. And then cross hold, quarter back, side, cross. Last section, side, syncopated sailor. sailor, step, step on side, roll left hip out, and then roll hip counterclockwise, weight ends on left. Now the count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2 and 3, 4, 5 hold 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hold 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the whole dance. Hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.
Hello, Josephine.